Hello everyone, myself Mir Sanjay Angane. I am a final year student of BE Civil Engineering in AP Shah Institute of Technology. I would like to thank CAD Center and BIM whole team for introducing the workshop in our college. Our professors also helped us in achieving many things, and we also learned many things about BIM, this processing, and most important, the coordinations. The coordination is the utmost and most important aspect in any project. BIM has helped us in understanding what are different steps in construction and all that things. We also run the Revit software for 2 days, and on the third day there was bridge making competition. It was very fun activity for all us, myself, my juniors, etc. And today's first session was very helpful for us. The expert lecture was very nice, and the competition is going very well. We have made this bridge, and we are presenting this today. And the session was good. The venue was also nice. We also understood many different things, well, coordination, teamwork, material management, and all this stuff, time management, all steps. So I would like to thank BIM team and CAD Center for this opportunity that was presented to us. Thank you.